Let's cook.
Hey!
Welcome to Cooking with the McDade's. We are back.
Hey, well, tonight we're cooking meatloaf and some asparagus
With
and
mashed potatoes.
Okay, sounds good. Let's get started.
These are the things that you'll need. 1 pound of ground beef, some seasonings, accent, tomato ketchup, tomato paste, black pepper, Dijon mustard, salt, milk, a glove, sriracha, honey, diced tomatoes, 1/3 cup of oatmeal, and mashed potatoes, and asparagus and onion. Okay, so I got a pound of ground beef in the bowl, and I'm gonna sprinkle some accent. I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon, sorry. And now I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of black pepper and a pinch of salt. So now I'm gonna mix the ground beef with a little bit with the seasoning that we already added. So now I'm gonna add my oatmeal. It's quick cooking oatmeal. Okay, so now I'm going to put in my tomato paste. This is about 6 ounces of tomato paste. We're gonna put that in there. And then we're gonna put in a can of diced tomatoes with the juice. We're gonna pour that all in. So this is the glaze that you put on top of your meatloaf. Okay, it is 1/3 cup of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon of Dijon. And I like to pour a little bit inside the mixture of the meat, just to give it a little extra zing to it. And then you're gonna mix well. Okay, so now since we mixed our meatloaf, we're gonna put it inside our little pan that's shaped like a meatloaf. Make sure you cover each side, each corner. All right, so now we have our meatloaf in the pan. We're gonna go ahead and put our glaze on top. Spread it all over. And then we're gonna put this in the oven and let it cook for an hour on 375. Okay, so now we're gonna make our mashed potatoes. You're gonna put in 1 1/3 of the flakes in the pot. Now we're gonna add in a 1/2 cup of milk. Okay, and you're also gonna add in 1/3 of water. And I'm gonna add in 2 tablespoons of butter. And we're gonna put in 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of accent, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper.
So we're gonna make some asparagus. I'm gonna cut my heat on medium heat. Teaspoon of salt. Teaspoon of black pepper. Teaspoon of accent salt. A tablespoon or a capful of oil. I'm gonna put a tablespoon of sriracha. And I'm gonna add a tablespoon of honey. And then you just mix it real well. This is awesome. This is a good, awesome taste right here. You're gonna be like, dang, see? I didn't know you can throw down like that.
Okay, Okay, so today's wine of the day is Moselle Pink Moscato from California. It is a pink Moscato. It is a refreshing sweet wine with mouth-watering flavors of juicy nectarine and raspberries.
Shout out to Free. I seen you on Facebook, girl, with that wine.
Hey, girl.
What up, Frank?
So we are going. Where the fuck you going?
Keep going.
Oh. So.
Curse me out.
Oh, sorry. So we are going to try this and see what it do. Let's see how we match up with this good old wine. You know, after a long, hard day of work, you know, you just want to come home, have a nice, refreshing glass of wine, and you know, just take in the sights. Even if you're with you by yourself or with a loved one, you know.
You see how she gonna curse me out? And then you go back to that voice.
So let's see what the Moselle is going for.
Cheers.
Cheers.
It's actually
Decent.
good.
It's really good. It's sweet, has a little bit of zing to it, like a little, like a sour note a little bit to me.
It tastes good. I think this is one of the best. That and that other one. What was
I
the
like
name of
it.
that
It's
other
really
one?
good.
What's the name of the other one?
The pink Moscato?
Yeah, in the big bottle from
Yeah.
Africa. That was really good.
We cannot find it. They sold out. We tried to look for it. We don't know where it is.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so we're officially done with cooking. We're officially done with cooking. And he was pinching me.
I ain't touching.
You a liar. And we have finished.
Barbara, I did not touch her.
You're a liar. So we have finished cooking everything, and we're gonna eat dinner and enjoy, and that's about it. We hope you guys continue to watch, and we hope you guys like,
share,
and subscribe. Happy eating. God damn it!